I'm going to attempt to park with no weight on again. Right there. It got caught there.